wonderful English learners. Welcome back to English Buddies Cast, the best place to make learning English easy and fun. I'm Lara, your friendly guide.
And I'm Tom. I'm so happy to be here with all of you today. Hello, Lara. How are you?
I'm doing great, Tom. Feeling very happy and ready for another exciting lesson. How about you?
Fantastic, Lara. Always ready to learn something new. What exciting topic do we have for our listeners today?
Well, Tom, today we're going to talk about something very special, something important to everyone around the world. We are going to explore how to talk about your family tree in English.
Family. I love that topic. It's perfect for our listeners because everyone has a family, right?
Exactly, Tom. Family can be big or small, but it's always special. Learning to talk about your family is a wonderful way to practice English because it's personal and easy to connect with.
That's so true. It's easier to find the words when you are talking about something you know well.
Yes, absolutely. And before we dive deeper into our family tree, we have a small request for all of you. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, English Buddies Cast.
And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English. It really helps us a lot.
Thank you. Okay, Tom, are you ready to learn some great English phrases for talking about your family?
I am absolutely ready, Lara. Let's do it.
Wonderful. Today, we're going to listen to a conversation between two friends, Emily and Paul. They are talking about their families, and they use many simple, useful words. Listen carefully, and then we will talk about it. This will help you transform your English and describe your own family.
So, Emily, to start, do you have a big family or a small family?
Good question. I think I have a big family. Yes, definitely a big family. What about you?
I think my family is small, not very big.
Oh, interesting. So let's talk about that. Let's start with parents. My parents are wonderful. My mother's name is Sarah.
Sarah, that's a lovely name. And your father?
My father's name is David. They are very kind.
That's so nice to hear. My mother's name is Maria, and my father's name is John.
Maria and John, beautiful names. Are your parents from here?
Yes, they are. They live in a small house near the park.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A house near a park is great. My parents live in the city.
The city is nice too. Lots of things to do. Now, what about brothers and sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I do. This is why my family is big. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Wow. 2 brothers and 1 sister. You have a busy house.
Yes. It was always very loud and very fun. My older brother is Tom. My younger brother is Mark.
Tom and Mark. And your sister?
My sister's name is Jessica. She is the youngest.
The youngest sister. That's sweet. Are you close with your brothers and sister?
Yes, very close. We talk every week. Tom, my older brother, is very funny. He tells great jokes.
A funny brother is the best. And Mark?
Mark is quiet. He likes to read books. He is very smart.
That's great. And Jessica?
Jessica is very creative. She likes to paint and draw. She is an artist.
Wow. A funny brother, a smart brother, and an artist sister. A very interesting family.
It is. What about you, Paul? You said you have a small family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Laura.
Just one sister. So it's you and Laura. Is she older or younger than you?
Laura is my younger sister. She is very energetic. She loves sports.
Oh, fun. What sports does she like?
She loves to play tennis and swim. She is very active.
That's fantastic. It's nice to have a sister.
It is. We are good friends. We go to the cinema together sometimes.
That's so nice. Family can be your best friends.
I agree completely. Okay, so we talked about parents and siblings. Let's talk about grandparents.
Oh, yes. Grandparents are so special. I have 2 grandmothers and 1 grandfather.
That's lovely. What are their names?
My mother's mother is my grandmother Elena. My father's mother is my grandmother Rose.
Elena and Rose. Very pretty names.
Thank you. And my father's father is my grandfather George. He is very old and very wise.
Grandfather George, I like that. Does he tell good stories?
Oh, yes. The best stories. About when he was young. It's amazing to listen to him.
I can imagine. My grandparents are wonderful too. I have my grandmother Sophia and my grandfather Michael.
Sophia and Michael, where do they live?
They live in the countryside. Their house has a big garden with many flowers.
Oh, a garden. I love gardens. My grandmother Rose also has a garden. She has red and yellow roses.
Beautiful. My grandmother Sophia grows vegetables. Tomatoes, carrots, yummy.
Fresh vegetables from your grandmother's garden, that is the best. It really is. Grandparents are full of love and good food.
Exactly. Now, let's go to the next part of the family tree. Aunts and uncles.
Ah, yes, aunts and uncles, the brothers and sisters of your parents. Do you have many?
I do. My father has one brother, so I have one uncle. His name is Peter.
Uncle Peter. Is he nice?
He is very nice, and he is married. His wife is my aunt. Her name is Mary.
So, Uncle Peter and Aunt Mary. That's easy to remember.
Yes, and my mother has 2 sisters, so I have 2 aunts on my mother's side.
2 more aunts? Wow.
Yes, Aunt Carl and Aunt Susan. They are both very sweet, so you have 1 uncle and 3 aunts in total.
That's right. It's a lot. I know. What about you, Paul?
It's much simpler for me. My father has 1 sister, my Aunt Lisa,
Aunt Lisa.
and my mother has 1 uncle, my Uncle James.
So, 1 aunt and 1 uncle for you.
Yes, exactly. Aunt Lisa and Uncle James. They are both very fun to be around.
That's the most important thing.
Now, if you have aunts and uncles, you might have cousins.
Yes, cousins, the children of your aunts and uncles. I have 2 cousins. Aunt Lisa has 2 sons. Their names are Ben and Sam.
Ben and Sam, are they your age?
Ben is a little older and Sam is a little younger. We play video games together. It's fun.
That sounds great. I love playing games with family. What about you? You have more aunts and uncles, so do you have more cousins?
Yes, I do. Many more. Let me think. Uncle Peter and Aunt Mary have 1 daughter, my cousin Chloe.
Okay, Chloe, 1 cousin.
Then Aunt Carl has 2 children, a son and a daughter, my cousins Daniel and Olivia.
So that's 3 cousins now.
And Aunt Susan has one son, my cousin Leo. So Chloe, Daniel, Olivia, and Leo. You have 4 cousins.
Yes, 4 cousins. It's fun when we all get together for holidays. The house is full.
I can imagine a big, happy family gathering. That sounds amazing.
It is. We eat a big meal, we talk, we laugh. It's my favorite time.
That's really special. Family time is so important.
It really is. So let's do a little recap. We have parents, mother and father,
Yes, and siblings, brother and sister.
then grandparents, grandmother and grandfather, and then aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Perfect. That's a good look at the family tree. It is. Now let's try to describe our family members. We can use simple words. For example, my sister Laura has long brown hair.
Ooh, good idea. Let's describe them. My brother Tom is tall. He is very tall.
Tall, okay. My father John has short gray hair. My mother Sarah has beautiful blue eyes. Blue eyes! Very nice.
My grandmother Sophia is very kind and has a warm smile.
Aw, that's a sweet description. My grandfather George is very funny. He makes everyone laugh.
That's a great quality. My cousin Ben is very friendly. He likes to meet new people.
My cousin Olivia is very smart. She reads a lot of books, like my brother Mark.
It sounds like you have a very smart family.
They are, and it's great practice for our listeners. You can describe your family too. You can say, my mother is tall, or my brother has brown eyes.
Yes, exactly. Use simple words. Tall, short, long hair, short hair, blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes. Or you can describe their personality. Funny, kind, smart, friendly.
These are all excellent words to know, and it's a nice way to think about your family. It is. What about family activities? What does your family like to do together, Paul?
On weekends, my parents, my sister, and I like to watch movies together. We eat popcorn.
I love movie nights. My family likes to eat together. Every Sunday, we have a big lunch at my parents' house.
A Sunday lunch. That sounds so
Wow, Tom. That was a fantastic conversation between Emily and Paul. Did you hear how many simple words they used to talk about their families?
Yes, Lara. It was so clear. I learned many words. Parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. It's like a map of the family.
Excellent, Tom. You got all the main parts of the family tree. They also described their family members using words like funny, smart, kind, and energetic. And they talked about activities like watching movies, eating lunch, and playing board games.
I loved how they described their families. It made it easy to understand. I can try to describe my family now, too.
That's the goal. Now, to see how much you remembered and understood, it's time for a quick quiz. Are you ready, Tom? And for all our listeners, try to answer along with us.
Oh, yes. I love quizzes.
Great. Here is your first question. Question 1. Who are siblings? A. Your parents, brothers and sisters. B. Your mother and father. C. Your brothers and sisters.
Siblings. Emily and Paul talked about their brothers and sisters, so I think it's C, your brothers and sisters.
That's absolutely correct, Tom. Fantastic job. Siblings means brothers and sisters. Let's go to question 2. Question 2. Paul's sister, Laura, loves what? A. cooking, B, sports, C, painting.
Paul said Laura is very energetic and she loves to play tennis and swim. So the answer must be B, sports.
You are on fire, Tom. That's right. Laura loves sports. Very good listening. And finally, question 3. What do Emily and her cousins like to do together for holidays? A, go for walks in the park. B, watch movies. C, eat a big meal, talk, and laugh.
Emily said her house is full for holidays and they eat a big meal, talk, and laugh. So it's C, eat a big meal, talk, and laugh.
Excellent, Tom. You understood everything perfectly. And I hope all our listeners did too. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. We explored the family tree with words like parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. We also learned how to describe family members using simple adjectives like funny, smart, kind, and energetic. And we talked about activities like watching movies, eating lunch, and playing board games.
It was a great lesson, Lara. I feel much more confident talking about my family now.
That's wonderful to hear, Tom. And for all of you listening, we have some fun homework. We would love for you to leave a comment below this podcast. Tell us something about your family.
Yes, you can write one simple sentence. For example, I have one sister, or my father is funny.
Exactly. We would be so happy to read your comments and learn a little about your families. It's a great way to practice your English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English Buddies Cast, so you don't miss our next episode. Please also share this podcast with your friends and family who are also learning English.
Thank you again for joining us today. It was a pleasure sharing this English journey with you all. Family is truly special, and it's a perfect topic to build your English skills step by step.
Goodbye for now, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.